Everybody move now, get in the groove.
It's absolutely amazing. एक तरफ of course तुमचा 33% payment plan, which is you pay 33% now at the time of booking.
Yes.
And then you pay 33% a year later.
Yes.
And then another 33% the final this thing at possession.
Yes, at the time of possession.
That's amazing. You also have something where you have no pre-EMI till January 2027.
Yes.
Which is next year.
Yes.
Wow. And what kind of consumers do you think would benefit from this?
See, ये स्कीम हमने पास्ट में भी कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स पे इम्प्लीमेंट किया था.
Okay.
And we got tremendous response from the buyers.
Right.
Why? Because the customers who are having that less saving in the initial stage, which
Right.
they can use for the down payment, but after that वो पूरा का पूरा अपने जमा पूंजी हमको दे चुके होते हैं.
Correct.
उसके बाद उनको लोन लेना पड़ता है.
Right.
So again here we thought that they should need some breathing period before availing their home loan.
Right.
So we'll be giving them the 12 months time to gather that strength always.
Yeah.
Because this scheme is implemented in the South Pune project, जहाँ पे कि लो इनकम ग्रुप के ज्यादातर बायर्स हैं.
Okay.
तो उनके लिए 1 लाख 2 लाख या 5 लाख की EMI भी जो 1 साल के लिए होती है वो बचत बहुत बड़ी होती है.
Correct.
That's what we thought कि इनको वो ब्रीदिंग पीरियड देना चाहिए.
Wow.
So we are not going to demand any further money from them irrespective of the construction schedule which we have.
Right.
So we'll be charging or we'll be demanding the money in the next year. That
Wow.
will be in Jan 27.
That's
and
amazing.
then their EMI will start.
Move now, get